Welcome to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for common ailments. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal first aid with essential medicinal garden kit. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or just starting your journey into natural healing, this kit is packed with everything you need to create your own herbal first aid arsenal. Let's take a look at what's inside. 1. Echinacea. First up, we have echinacea. This powerful herb is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, making it perfect for combating colds, flu, and infections. 2. Calendula. Next, we have calendula, also known as marigold. This beautiful flower is not only a feast for the eyes but also a potent antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, ideal for treating cuts, scrapes, and burns. 3. Lavender. Ah, the calming scent of lavender. But did you know it's not just for relaxation? Lavender oil is a must-have in any first aid kit, thanks to its antibacterial and pain-relieving qualities. It's great for soothing insect bites, headaches, and even anxiety. 4. Aloe vera. No herbal first aid kit is complete without aloe vera. This succulent plant is a lifesaver for sunburns, minor burns, and skin irritations. Its cooling gel provides instant relief and promotes healing. 5. Peppermint. Last but not least, we have peppermint. This refreshing herb is a natural remedy for indigestion, nausea, and headaches. Plus, its aromatic properties can help clear congestion and improve focus. With these essential plants in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of health issues naturally and effectively. But that's not all. When you purchase Medicinal Garden Kit through the link in the description below, you will receive a comprehensive guidebook filled with tips on cultivation, harvesting, and usage of these herbs. So why wait? Transform your garden into a natural pharmacy and take control of your health with herbal first aid, essential plants from your Medicinal Garden Kit.